Good afternoon. Wanted to make a brief tutorial on how to use Kami to make PDFs or pictures that have text on them legible and readable by things like read-write or the highlighter tool or any of that kind of stuff. So what I'm going to do is show you how to do that. We're going to start here on kamiapp.com, but you can also just open a PDF from your Google Drive if you want to. Whatever's easiest for you. So I'm just going to click on sign in right here. Open from Drive. Sort it down to PDF so I don't have to look through so much. And I want to open this one. Wonderful. Now the first time you do this, it's going to pop up one of these little boxes here that says recognize text. This seems like a scanned PDF. Would you like to add the text? Yes, because this is a scanned PDF. So this is a textbook I scanned for my wife, and Kami can read that there are letters and words and stuff on here. But as far as Kami is concerned, this PDF is just a picture of text. So what I'm going to say is run OCR. And then you see down here along the bottom, it says that it is running OCR, which is helpful. And you wait. Obviously, the bigger your document, the longer it'll take. When it's done, it'll say OCR complete. And now I can come in here and I can actually highlight this stuff, and copy and paste it if I wanted to. So I could, not eraser. I could do the markup tool and text highlighter. I had all this highlighted before, and now they're highlighted. So undo this. If I want to highlight something, I have this tool selected. I could highlight this right there. And now it's highlighted. Great. So that's how you run OCR on something, turn it into a tool like this. Now, if we wanted to do other things to it, you could also do this on any other kind of document. So let me pause here and go find a picture with some words on it, and let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm back. So what I did is I took a screenshot snip of this box here, basically, so that I could prove that you can do this with pictures. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to open file this way. My computer opens up here. This is capture. Open. Now, when you open something that is not Word, PowerPoint, a PDF, whatever, it's going to ask you if you want to convert it. What it's going to do is just convert that picture into a PDF. So then you just say yes. Then it'll upload it, it'll process it. This step usually takes a little bit, depending on how big your picture is. See, so this picture is pretty small, but you can tell it's the same little chunk of text from that textbook scan that I just showed you. And then same thing over here, recognize text. This seems like a scanned PDF, run OCR. Then we can, you have to enable this. That way it actually knows what it's scanning for. Just choose Drive, and it will keep everything in a Kami folder for you. That's fine. Remove upload. It's all good. Just, click through the prompts. Same thing as always. Made a mess with my copy. And now I have it like this. Wonderful. Ignored larger selection just because it's a whole lot of stuff to highlight. So if I just say select anyway, it'll show back up. I missed my click. But that's all you have to do. So you can take whatever files you do have and just upload them into Kami, and then when that little prompt shows up, you can do it that way. Now let me show you what happens in case that little prompt doesn't show up. I'm going to open the exact same thing. Well, actually, let's open something different. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I had to find the right file I wanted to use. All right, so I'm going to go here into Drive. Again, you can upload a file from anywhere. It doesn't have to be from Drive. I have this PDF here. I'm just going to upload this simply because I haven't done OCR on this before. So this one didn't give me the prompt to run OCR. Oh no! So all I have to do is come in here to Menu, say OCR for scan documents, and it will run OCR. So it doesn't matter what you upload into Kami, it has the ability to run OCR for it anyway. And there we go. Now this particular document was already kind of OCR'd because it was made in like a word processor. But if you had something that you had printed out or gotten from a book and scanned in as a PDF, that's when you use that. But it's right there, nice and easy. So, and then once you get it into that OCR form, you can also make it a classroom assignment by clicking the little G that says create assignment. And then it'll load it up, and it's the same interface that you're used to using when you post classroom assignments with Kami. So that's all you have to do to run OCR. Have fun.